everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make Bhindi 65, or you can even call it crispy bhindi. Oh my god, this bhindi turns out so amazing. You have to give it a try. And now let's look at the process. So for this recipe guys, I'm going to first take a small blender, and to that I'm going to add ½ inch of ginger pieces and 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and around 4 to 5 mild green chilies, which I'm going to roughly chop and add it. And then we are going to make a coarse paste out of it. And now that our paste is ready, let's remove it in a bowl for use later on. And guys, here I've taken about 250 grams of bhindi and I've cut it into 1 inches apart. To this I've just added 1/4 cup of besan, which is gram flour, 1/4 cup of chawal ka atta, which is rice flour, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. We're going to also add some salt as per our taste, and 1 teaspoon of jeera, which is cumin seeds, which I'm going to lightly crush by putting it between my hands and lightly pressing them down. This will also help give us that aroma of the jeera seeds. And now let's put that in the bowl. And now let's add all of the ginger chili garlic paste and give it a good mix. Once all the ingredients are nicely mixed in, we are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in here. And then give it a good mix as well. This will help everything stick to the bhindi, and that is what we want. If you need a little bit more water, then do add accordingly, but don't add too much, otherwise your bhindi will become soggy. And once everything is nicely mixed in, let's keep this bowl aside. And I've already kept some oil for frying. So once it's nice and hot, let's take 1/4 cup of peanuts and let's fry them till the time they become nice and golden brown in color. And once they're nice and golden brown in color, it's time for us to remove them in a separate bowl. And now guys, turn the flame on low, and now we are going to fry 20 to 25 curry patta, which are curry leaves. And guys, be very careful as they have a tendency to splutter. And as you just saw, you be very careful, and it's very quick. So don't take too long, otherwise you might end up burning the curry leaves. And let's remove it in a same bowl as the peanuts. And now it's time to fry the onion. I've taken 1 large onion which I've sliced, and now we are just going to fry them. We are not going to fry them like how we fry for biryani, but we are going to fry it till the time they look golden in color. So don't let it get too brown in color. We are going to just fry them till the time they get golden in color. So as you see, now they're nice and golden in color. So let's remove them in a bowl. And now one by one, let's start adding the okra or the bhindi pieces in the hot oil. Again, be careful of your fingers. If you wish, you can always use a spoon to add the bhindi or the okra in the oil. And we are going to fry this on a medium flame for the next 7 to 8 minutes, or until they become nice and golden brown in color from outside. And once the bhindi is nice and dark green from inside and nice and golden brown from outside, it's time for us to remove it in a plate covered with a paper towel so that it sucks all that excess oil. And once all the bhindi is fried, let's just transfer it into a bowl. And I just love the sound of that. Don't you think it's so appetizing? And let's add rest of the fried ingredients, the peanuts, the curry leaves, the onions. And now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder, which is dry mango powder. Follow it up by 1/4 teaspoon of the garam masala. This is my homemade garam masala. You can find the recipe online. And 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. And let's give it a good mix. Guys, you can enjoy this recipe as a starter or as a main course along with some roti. It is absolutely going to be delicious and out of this world. And I absolutely cannot resist it anymore, so I have to dig in. So I'm taking a little bit of okra, a little bit of peanut, little bit of heaven, and giving it a try. Guys, I'm telling you, you have to make this recipe today. Go get some bhindi, go get that okra, peanuts, and make it today. And do write to me what you think about this recipe. It is just delicious. Nothing besides delicious. So guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you do like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one, as well as this one. So do click on these links and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye. Take care. Can you hear that sound? The crunch?